In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grills on this BMW X5. These are going to be located in the front part of the hood. Let's get into it. On the back side, there's some clips. I'm just going to use a pocket straight blade screwdriver. Just pop the clips out. I'm just going to pull on this black bracket while we pop those out. Eventually you'll see it starting to separate. Pull it down. Just go around, pushing on those clips. Right there. And it's going to separate right there. And from the front, you pull the front off. Now we're going to take the bezel, go in from the front. Take the grills. It's going to line up. The slots are going to line up with the tabs. Get those all lined up. Just get those started all the way around. And then we're going to lock them in place. I might have to wiggle this a little. And I'll just clip in place. There you go. Those are all clipped in. Make sure that's center. And you can do the same with the other one.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.